Get out of the way, get out of the way. Excuse me, when I come through. Doc. Can I take a look at my friend, please? Sure. Cancer, arthritis, heart disease, you name it, I've cured it. For real? Well, thank you, Doc. But first, I would like to know what's causing your friend's sickness. What happened to him? Where's my clothes? Alright, well, it all started last week when I met this girl. So I'm of AIDS. Well, you're in luck, cure AIDS only. No, it's not AIDS. So why am I then? Corona? Him catch. What? Him catch feelings for her. Him catch who? Catch feelings for her, Doc. Him catch? Oh, it's worse than I thought. Your friend don't need a doctor, my friend. Your friend need Jesus.
So that question.
Listen.
Banana ripe, is it? Yeah. The fruit though. When it green, I must want green.
God, you don't even know it, brother. Stop asking them questions and mind they make police come for you. That me I
I have a next question. So why when you orange green them still card?
I'm telling you, ease off the question. Somebody asked now on 2 incredible stupid questions just now. I am. Pay close attention to this. What for God? Pay close attention to this.
Full time.
I know my business.